Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign in or log in to your ShipWise application. To log into ShipWise, first of all open the ShipWise application from your app drawer. You can log into your ShipWise account by using the SMS code option or sign in with your Apple ID. To use the SMS code option, type in your mobile phone number in the text box. Finally, tap on Send SMS Code option at the bottom and you'll receive an SMS verification code which you'll need to type in order to access to your account. Another way to sign into your account is by using the Sign in with Apple option. Simply tap the Sign in with Apple option at the bottom right and log into your Apple ID by using your Apple ID credential or scanning your Face ID. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your ShipWise account. That was pretty simple, wasn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.